Hiyo! Today I'm going to show you how to knit this beautiful lace stitch. First of all, please check my description box for all the details such as a written pattern. But you don't really need the written pattern because it's so simple pattern. It doesn't look like simple pattern. However, it is. So don't worry about it. Okay? It's only 2-row repeat. All right? Hey yo! Just a quick favor before we start. Everything here is free except for my gauge template. Patterns are in the description box and free to download. I do this so many people can enjoy knitting and learning for free. So, if you find this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. All right, let's get started. Cast on, multiple of 2. I made 50. This is just a sample knitting, so, I did whatever. The first and last stitches are just a clear edge, so they're not included in the stitch count. Well, in the pattern anyway. Okay, so I made 50 cast. Now, prep row, wrong side, all purl. First of all, the first stitch, slip 1 knitwise, and then start the pattern, so all purl, and end with purl 1. So obviously preparation row, except the first stitch, all purl. Okay, so here comes. This is end of the preparation row. By the way, this is the pattern for knitting in flat. Okay, so row number 1, right side, slip first stitch knitwise, and then repeat off, yarn over, then knit 2 together, kind of halfway. Okay, knit 2 together and do not drop the stitches off yet. And yarn over again, and then knit 2 together. So knit 2 together, usually decreasing. However, yarn over, right? So twice. I made 4 stitches. So I'm actually increasing. Yarn over and knit 2 together, then yarn over, knit 2 together, then drop 2 stitches off. Okay, repeat of yarn over, knit 2 together, but don't drop the 2 stitches off yet, then yarn over and knit 2 together, then drop those 2 stitches off and yarn over. Don't forget to yarn over. Okay, so remember, just every time, okay, yarn always front. Okay, that's how you remember. Okay, so you just keep repeating. Okay, yarn over, yarn front, knit 2 together and keep those 2 stitches off and yarn over, then again knit 2 together in the same 2 stitches, then drop the stitches off. There we go. This is the last repeat. Knit 2 together, keep it, yarn over and knit 2 together and drop the stitches off. And last stitch will be for clear edge, so purl to end. There we go. Then turn the work. Look at this. That's the, foundation. And row number 2, super easy. Okay, wrong side. Repeat of just purl 2 together. I increase, okay, on row number 1. Now you have to decrease on row number 2. And ended up, the same stitch count. Okay, so that's it. So row number 2, just purl 2 together. So on row number 1, using the 2 stitches, and I ended up making 4 stitches, right? So now I have to decrease those 2 stitches extra. You know what I'm saying? There we go. And 2 stitches together. Then, oh, okay, few more. So purl 2 together. This is still row number 2. There you go. Then purl 1 at the end. And you know what? You just have to repeat those 2 rows. Repeat row number 1 and row number 2 until your desired length. That's it. And I also include the pattern in round, okay? And sometimes it's a little bit tight, but you know, once you knit more and more length, it's gonna get used to and little looser. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry about it, okay? There you go. Just don't forget to yarn over. Always yarn front, then knit 2 together or purl 2 together, whatever. Okay, so just keep knitting and I'll show you what it's really, you know, look like. There you go. I knit lots and more, you know, rows, and look at that. And this is how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? And this is the back piece. Not too bad. I like it. So I think I'm gonna keep knitting. This is actually 24 cast. I changed it. Okay, anyway, enjoy knitting.